Incoming southwest 10 to 15 knots
Some
with gusts
conditions
up to
across
20
eastern
knots.
Pennsylvania at 9 p.m.
At Allentown, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 74. Rain was falling with a temperature of 75 at northeast Philadelphia, 77 at Doylestown, 68 at Coatesville, and 68 at Wilkes-Barre, Scranton. It was cloudy with a temperature of 72 at Reading, 71 at Lancaster, and 73 at Harrisburg. Some conditions across southern New Jersey at 9 p.m. It was partly cloudy with a temperature of 84 at Wrightstown, 86 at Mount Holly, 85 at Millville, and 80 at Atlantic City Airport in Pomona. At Trenton, rain and a squall were reported with a temperature of 79. Weather across Delaware at 9 p.m. Dover was 77 degrees with a thunderstorm. Georgetown was 87 degrees under partly cloudy skies. A few other locations at 9 p.m. It was 71 at Baltimore's.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay, the Atlantic coastal waters between Cape May, New Jersey and Fenwick Island, Delaware out to 20 nautical miles, including Bethany Beach, Cape Henlopen, Delaware Lightship Buoy 44,009, Indian River Inlet Bridge, over Falls Shoal, Rehoboth Beach, Slaughter Beach, Buoy 2 MS, Brandywine Shoal Light, Brown Shoal Light, Cape May Point, East Point and 14-foot bank light until 11:45 p.m. At 9:43 p.m., National Weather